In this video, we're going to take a look at my magnetic review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my magnetic review. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com and Coin the Rockstar Video Marketer. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular product. So the first thing I need you to do is to scroll down inside the video description. The first link, you're going to go ahead and click that, okay? And that's going to take you here to my bonus page. So when you scroll down on the bonus page, you're going to look for this green button that says get instant access to magnetic and your bonuses. Once you do that, that's going to lock in your bonuses because it's going to take you to the sales page, okay? And then when you check out, my bonuses will be waiting for you in the back end of Warrior Plus. And if you're not familiar with Warrior Plus or how to get to the bonuses or whatnot, I'm going to show you at the end of this video how to get to those and what you need to do. So let's go ahead and get started with the sales page and see exactly what magnetic is all about. So at the time that I'm making this video review, today is March the 5th, and this product already launched. As you can see, the timer is already counted down. This actually launched on February the 25th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it ended on March the 2nd at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But the price, lucky for you, is still the same. It's still $9.95. So not bad. Let's talk a little bit about what this is. So it says secret hack generates a doge of traffic, leads, and commissions using nothing but free traffic. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about what magnetic actually is, okay? So this is some video training and it's put out by Diane Hallgard. And what she's gonna do is teach you how to use Facebook to get free traffic so you can get more leads and sales, okay? And the way she's going to do that is to teach you how to use some secret hack using post, okay? So she's going to show you what to put in the post. She's going to show you where to put the post. And most importantly, she's going to show you how to reply to the post without ending up in Facebook jail. Okay, so that's really important. So that's what this training is going to show you. So let's continue on the sales page here. So as you can see here, unique method generates a doge of free traffic, build your list, VIP support updated for 2021, case study, money back guarantee, and some fast action taker bonuses. Okay, so if you got to this page somehow and you didn't click on my link yet, make sure before you click on get instant access, you want to lock in my bonuses. So go to my bonus page, link in the description, the first link you're going to see, and go ahead and click any one of the green buttons on this page. There's 2 of them, okay? And then that's going to lock in those bonuses. So here's some screen earning shots from using this method, some testimonials here. You can go ahead and read everything on the page at your own time. I'm not going to read all that. Some more screen earnings here again. 3-step process here, activate, follow, and profit. So let's take a look at the 3 fast action bonuses here. So bonus number 1 is your own money making machine. Bonus number 2 is social media marketing boost. And bonus number 3 is make money with affiliate marketing. So 3 pretty good bonuses there. So let's take a look at the recap here. So magnetic is a $27 value, and you're going to be getting that for $9.95 today. So go ahead, if you're watching this video today, hurry up and grab this because I don't know when the price is going to be going up. Most vendors raise their prices as soon as the launch ends, and this one's still there, but the launch only ended a few days ago, so go ahead and grab that while you can at this price. Let's go ahead and go over the recap here again. Bonus number 1 is a $97 value, bonus number 2 is a $97 value, and bonus number 3 is a $127 value. So you have the 30-day money-back guarantee, of course, right here, and let's go ahead and see what else we could take a look at here. There's the money-back guarantee. All right, I think that's about it for the sales page, guys. Pretty simple sales page, not very long. Okay, so let's go ahead now and check out what the members area is going to look like for you, okay? Inside the members area, it's very simplified and easy to find everything that you're going to need. So simply scroll down till you see the steps here, and you click these to open up the videos where you can watch the videos to each one of these. So you got module 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. And if you scroll down a little bit further, you're going to see some more buttons. You can get Magnetic Pro here if you didn't get the upgrade when you went through the funnel. And you can also check these out, a secret tool to automate sales. And here you'll find your bonuses. So really simple membership area here to get into and to get everything you need from the course. So it's a really simple members area, right? Everything on one simple page where you can find everything that you need. Now let's go ahead and check out the upsells for this product. So on the front end, we have, of course, Magnetic at $9.95, and it even has a down sale here for $8.95, so that's probably going to be the pop-up that shows up. 3 simple steps where you're going to start making sales on Facebook, okay? You follow those sales in the training. Upsell number 1 is Magnetic Pro. This is $27 with a $17 down sale, and this is going to give you 8 over-the-shoulder videos to boost sales on Facebook. Okay, so these are extra videos that you're going to get. Okay, so the next upsell number 2 here is Magnetic Done For You. This is $97 with an $87 down sale, and you're going to get 100 of the best engagement posts that was compiled over time. And you're going to get 10 Done For You teaser posts plus bonuses. So this whole package right here is worth over $1,500. And upsell number 3, and the last one here, is 4 weekly group live training sessions, okay? And that's $97 with an $87 down sale. So you're gonna get inside knowledge and build your brand live with the creator of Magnetic herself, Diane Holger. And you're gonna get the chance to get your own highly targeted teaser post for your own business to 10 times your sales, okay? So that's gonna wrap up the upsells. So let's go ahead now and take a look at my bonuses. So I only have 2 bonuses in here, and these are 2 of my brand new bonus trainings that I wanted to add in here, okay? And these are both related to traffic and making sales. So bonus number 1 is Tic-Tac-Toe closing system. So you're going to learn how to close more sales using this proven formula that's used by the top gurus. And my second bonus is 25 free traffic sources. So you're going to learn how you can drive massive traffic from these 25 free traffic sources that I use on a daily basis. And there you go, 2 really good bonuses. So at this time, let's take a look at how to find those bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus, just in case you're not familiar with the Warrior Plus platform. So if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see under the bonus button here where you can lock in your bonuses, you'll see this little image, okay? This is going to show you what to do once you get a Warrior Plus account. So once you create your Warrior Plus account, you're going to click on your little toggle drop-down menu here next to your name, and then you're going to choose Purchase History. That's going to take you to step 2 here. You're going to be looking for the link to the product you just purchased. In this case, it's going to be Magnetic. Once you click that, it's going to take you to the last page where you can access your purchase for Magnetic, and you can click on the blue button to access the bonuses that I just showed you on this page. And that's about as easy as it gets. So I hope you enjoy these review videos that I do, guys. If you do, make sure to smash that like button and go ahead and leave me some comments on any questions you might have related to this product, and I'll try and answer as quick as I can to the best of my knowledge. And by the way, if you're looking for some other free training, look in the video description for that, as well as some advanced marketing training in a webinar if you're interested in that. And that's going to wrap up my Magnetic review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. Thanks for your time and interest. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com, and Coin the Rockstar Video Marketer. And guys, happy marketing.